Welcome guys sa ating video for today, ang Felicity single house unit. Ayan, meron na siyang parking area, provision parking area. Yan, nakita ninyo. Lapitan natin yung pinakaloob, ayan, ayan po guys. Yan si Felicity. Pasok tayo sa loob. So walang tao, ito yung hagdanan. Yan guys. Yan po yung ano niya. Yan, yan po arrangement niya, ang Felicity single units. Yan, yung sala. Tsaka yung tandaan natin. Restroom. Yan. Yan ang restroom. Yan. Hello guys. This is the mirror. Hello. Shout out. Yan. So, taas. Yeah. 2 bedrooms. Master's bedroom.